Come test drive the 2019 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.